I woke up too late. Alright, so I'm all ready to go. And today's itinerary, I guess, we'll try to go to Cape Spear, Cabot Tower, Signal Hill, Docksworth, Water Street, Merchant Town, Shop, Local. That's what the guy sent to me yesterday. But I think for now, I'm gonna grab some lunch. Right after that, I'll just walk around town after, and I'll head to Cape Spear. I don't know how busy it gets right now, but hopefully there's not a lot of people there today. And check it out. Let's get some lunch, breakfast, brunch. Yeah. Ooh, super cramped here. Check this out. It's a nice place. Wonder what they have. I'm hungry. I have a Big Mac, large fries. Got my food. Them calamari. Bon appetit. Give it a 5 out of 5. Great tasting calamari. Also great tasting music. The houses here are very colorful. Super pretty. Alright, so I made it back to the hotel. I went to go grab my keys and grab more batteries. Let's go to our first major destination. We're gonna go to Cape Spear. Cape Spear. Let's go for a little bit of a drive. It's like 15 minutes away from here. Yeah, let's go! It is so cold. It is so cold. Nice and pretty though. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? It's a giant cannon. Apparently, this is the guns of Cape Spear. Look, we're almost there. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm on the stairs. That was nice, but I'm here though. Welcome to Cape Spear, the most eastern point of Canada. Yeah. I guess this is it for the day, for the night. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Part one. Yeah. See you tomorrow.